What it do, what it was, what it has been. It's your girl Q. And we about to do my head. As you can see by the title, I'm doing distress locks today, butterfly locks, whatever you want to call them, hoes. That's what I'm doing. I've been seeing this style, and at first when it came out, I wasn't feeling it, but now I'm feeling it, and now I want it in my head. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. I just put some oil and some shea butter in my hair, and then I did a braid out, and I just like combed it through, and now I'm sectioning my hair. I did really big sections just because it's a bob style, and I didn't want too many in my head. I didn't want to give y'all poodle, so I did bigger sections just so that my head wasn't like weighed down with locks. But this is me parting it. I did square parts or whatever shape this is. I'm not good at parting, never been good at parting. I won't even lie to y'all like I am. I used Shine and Jam, just the regular old Shine and Jam in the yellow container. I love me some Shine and Jam. You can see like this white stuff, this buildup on my hair. Listen, when you do your hair, make sure that your products mix well. Yes, it does dry clear, but sometimes that look just might throw you off. But the shea butter mixed with the Shine and Jam wasn't a good combo for the parting because it looked kind of cruddy and white and gross. But it dried, so I wasn't really worried about it. When I do crochet locks, I always like to do them individually just because I like that look and being able to, do different styles. So I just braid my hair. I don't go all the way down because it's really not necessary. And I believe I had about 35 braids, I want to say, in total. So not that many. Like I said, my sections look crazy. Mind your business. Because the end result, cute. But these are the locks. I got them in a bob style because I wanted them short. It comes with 10, 12, and 14 inches. And then I got another pack in like that cute bronzy gold blonde color. I didn't notice that the colored locks are slim locks. So they are a bit thinner and slimmer than the black locks that I have. But you really can't tell. Since butterfly locks are large and thicker than regular soft locks, instead of me looping the lock through itself through the crochet hole, I looped my hair in it instead, just because there was a bit of tension when I tried to put the lock through the hole. That whole baby is shit. So unless you want to sit there and widen that hole, baby, just pull your natural hair through the hole and go about your business, because you gonna be here all day. And we don't have time to be doing our hair all motherfucking day. But yeah, pull it tight. Make sure shorty is secured, okay? And that's what it should look like so far. Once the lock has been crocheted into my hair, I go ahead and with that water wave, fro twist, whatever the hair is called. That name is long as shit. Anyway, I take the hair. I take a small piece off. You know how crochet is already like kind of pieced in the box. So I cut it in half. And then I basically pull the hair in half. So from one piece of the crochet, you should be able to use 4 strands of that and wrap it around your hair. So I just take it and I wrap it around my lock all the way until my natural hair is covered up. People usually crochet the hair through their lock and then go and wrap it. I would suggest doing that because now I have little hairs kind of poking through, but I just go ahead and cut them because it doesn't really matter to me. When it comes to wrapping this hair, I don't do it in a really nice, pristine way. I do it kind of messy just so it can match the rest of the lock and how messy and cute it is, because that's part of the look. It's not supposed to be perfect. It's giving distressed. I'm in distress. Slide with a rich nigga. Alright, anyway, to finish the lock off, I just rub the lock in my hand, kind of in a hand shaky, whatever you want to call this, hands together motion. Just so that it's all together, it's all wounded together. I don't use nail glue or anything like that just because, for one, when you use your hand like that with nail glue, it gets really hot to the point where like you like burn yourself. So I just gave it up. So let's get into these inches, these lengths, just to make sure it's giving bob when you finish. I used the 10 inch in the back of my head, and then I went up in inches when I went up in my hair. So in the back of my head, the 2 rows in the back were 10, and then the middle of my head all the way up to like ear to ear was 12, and then 14 was in the middle of my head, just so it falls perfectly in the bob shape. If you do it the other way, the reverse way, and put the 14 in the back and then go up, it's gonna be longer. So it just depends on how long you want your bob to be.
Okay, and she's done. She's finished. Woo! So anytime you do your locks and like they be stiff, it's because you're too tight. Like this, too tight. That's why she's just sitting up. But it's okay, cause once you wear them long enough, they kind of just settle into place. But this is the final product.
I don't know how. I don't know why. I don't know how. These are 2 different lengths. I don't know what I did, but it ain't that noticeable. If it is, mind your business.
I'm gonna take some mousse and just
go crazy, go wild.
Just to lay my little flyaways down. I'm gonna tie my hair up.
Oh my gosh. I'm trying to show y'all the final product, and all I could look at is this fat ass pimple on my face. Ignore it, please. I'm gonna show y'all some styles that I'm gonna do with it, but this again is the final product. I love how they came out. They're perfectly distressed, like they're not big and too distressed, because you know the locks I'm talking about. But these are perfect. I love these locks. I'm definitely gonna get the longer version. It was such an easy style. Highly recommend. I also got these really cute scrunchies. I think it was like a 60 pack for like $12. I'm gonna leave the Amazon link down below. But I think scrunchies are so cute with the locks. Like lock scrunchie combo, never miss. But anyway, enough with the styling. I'm tying my hair up and I'm taking my ass to bed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune into my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know which hairstyle I should try next in the comments. Thanks for watching again, guys. Have a good one. Peace.